Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. Hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch the video to the end. All these things I appreciate. Check out all the my media channels and this and that. So anyway, we got 3 hours, 41 minutes until Spacetime Metaverse is released to the public sale. Just wanted to give you a heads up. There was a whitelist sale last night, and it started last night. Unfortunately, didn't get in on the whitelist sale, but the the public sale is going to start in 3 hours and 40 minutes. If you don't know what Spacetime Metaverse is, their website is spacetimemetaverse.io. Here we'll check out the map. This is a little bit different than other maps. Um, Basically, you're in outer space, and these are the uh, plots that have already been minted. So see, there's a new planet. So it's going to be, I guess you're going to be able to zoom around and look at these different planets. You can enter other people's planets. Check it out. See what this one is. So that's basically what this is. I just thought you might be interested in this project, interested in checking it out. See what's going on with it right now. All the planets in the center are legendary, epic, or rare planets. So they say. So anyway, uh, 3 hours and 39 minutes to go until the public sale. Let's see, we don't want to switch out that. I also have the link on my Discord. Let's check them out. This is my Discord channel. If you want to join the Discord channel, I got lots of good links in here and all that stuff. I set it up I set it up for myself, but I have some people join in, and if you want to join, then you feel free to join. You'll see the link. Also, check out our staking pool. If you watch the welcome video on the YouTube channel, you'll see the information about the staking pool and the vision behind it. Let's go here. This is a link. OpenSea NFT is a link that I like to visit a lot and see where everything's at. Let's see. We got a floor price here. So let's scroll down and check our floor price of space time out real quick. Let's see the floor price. Now it just opened up yesterday, so there probably won't be many sales, but I know it's on here because I've seen some sales. Here it is right here. Okay, the name's out. Okay, 333. So the floor price is 333 ADA. Let's see how we're doing. All right, 11 hours ago, JPEG Store had one sell for 500, 315, 400, 495. So you see 540, 549. So you see the price is up and down. So I think these were sold for 100. Let's see. I think these are going for 100. These were going for 75 ADA. So now the public sale is going to be 100 ADA. So just to give you an idea, um, that's a pretty good return in a couple hours. 549 ADA off of 75, right? So these are um, rare pieces. These are rare planets. So that's where we're at right now, price wise. Sitting at last one sold at floor price is 333. So all right, there's only going to be a couple plots left that are in the legendary area, in that central area when the public sale opens. So if you're interested in this project, make sure that you're watching this timer, getting this video out to you in time to prepare yourself. So, and the price is going to be 100 ADA. Anyway, all right. Well, y'all are beautiful, and I'll see you next time.